let me show you how you can speed up Oppo A80 5G. So first of all, I will start from removing bloatware from your phone. So when you go into the apps and open app management, you can find here a lot of bloatware, like for example the Amazon shopping. And if you are not using all of these apps, you can just simply, as you can see here, you can find some kind of the games. If you are not using these apps, just simply remove them because they are actually connecting in the background to the Wi-Fi, to your RAM storage, and simply take a lot from your phone speed and your CPU. So be sure that you turn off, disable and remove everything that you are not using. Next, go into the display and the brightness and be sure that you enable the high refresh rate. Simply 120 Hz, actually it's optimal for the visual effect and smooth experience, and it will actually give us better using experience. Next, we have to go for battery, and now we have to go for more settings and be sure that you enable the high performance mode. So this one actually gets the best possible performance out of our device, but of course it may increase power consumption and heat up our device. But if you want to get the best performance of your smartphone, be sure that you turn on this function, and also be sure that you are not using the power saving mode, because the power saving mode will slow down your smartphone a little bit. When you go for about the device, also you have to be sure that you have the latest version of your software. So be sure that you are downloading software every time that it comes, because it actually improves performance. As you can see in this case, it actually improves the camera performance for a better user experience, but sometimes it just simply improve the stability of other functions like mobile network, our CPU or GPU. And yeah, also you will have to be sure that you clean your storage. So if you have a lot of storage occupied, be sure that you uninstall unnecessary files or remove them. And the last thing that we can do is just to go into the RAM expansion and switch this switcher to the 8 gigs. So you will add 4 another RAM to your phone. And that will be all. Thanks for watching. Right now, please subscribe.